Today we will discuss the magnetic field at any point of the axis of a circular coil carrying current. Consider a circular coil having current I, and here let's see the center of the coil, and this is the Cx is the axis of the coil. Consider any point, say P, at the axis of the coil, where we have to calculate the magnetic field due to the current carrying coil. For this, let us assume a segment AB of the coil, and R is the position vector of the segment AB from the point P. Let consider this point as CD. Let angle CPD is phi. Here, the angle between elementary length dl of the coil and position vector r is 90 degree. That is, angle between length dl and r is 90 degree. That is, dl perpendicular to position vector r. dl perpendicular to position vector r. That is, here theta is equal to 90 degree, which gives theta is equal to 90 degree. So, let magnetic field at point P due to this current element ideal is dB. Then, according to Biot law, dB will be dB is equal to mu naught over 4 pi I dl sin theta over r square, where theta is the angle between current element dl and position vector r of the dl from point P. That is, here dl perpendicular to r, so angle theta becomes 90 degree. So value of sin theta is equal to sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So expression 1 becomes dB is equal to mu naught over 4 pi I dl over r square, equation 2. Now, what is the direction of dB at point P? Remember, the direction of dB at point P will be at 90 degree from the plane of the dl and r. This is the plane of dl and r, and which is the, here dB is the 90 degree from the plane of the r and dl. This is the 90 degree, and this is the direction of dB due to current segment AB at point P. Similarly, due to symmetry, also consider another current element, say E. The magnetic field due to current element EF will be in this direction, dB due to current element EF. On resolving dB into horizontal and perpendicular component, we get this component of dB along y-axis will be dB sin phi, because this angle also phi. So perpendicular component of dB will be dB cos phi, and horizontal component of dB will be dB sin phi. The perpendicular component dB cos phi will be cancelled due to symmetry. dB cos phi, and the resultant of the magnetic field due to whole circular coil will be sum over the dB sin phi. So the magnetic field at point P due to the whole circular coil will be B is equal to horizontal component of dB sin phi over the whole integration over the circular from 0 to 2 pi a, where a is the radius of the circular coil and let x is the distance of the point P from the center of the coil. Then what is the value of sin phi? So sin phi will be from the triangle CPD, sin phi will be A over R, or A divided by R means A square plus x square to the under. Now let us consider this equation number 3, and this is 4. So from equation number 3, B is equal to, what is the value of dB? Mu naught over 4 pi IDL over R square into sin phi. Sin phi means A divided by A square plus x square to the under. Now, what is the value of R in terms of x and A? Here the value of R can be calculated from the triangle CDP. R square is equal to A square plus x square also. Then value of B is equal to mu naught over 4 pi IDL over R square means A square plus x square into sin phi means A over under root A square plus x square. Or in next step, the value of dB will be mu naught over 4 pi I dl over a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 into a, and integration also, or b equal to mu naught over 4 pi I into a over a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 integral of dl, and integral of dl is equal to 2 pi a, where is the radius of the coil. Here integral of dl is equal to 2 pi a. So the magnetic field induction will be B equal to mu naught I over 4 pi into a into 2 pi a over a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. Here a into a square, or we can write here 2 pi a square over 4 pi a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2, which is the required expression of the magnetic field at any point P on the axis of a current carrying coil. If this coil has n small n number of turns, then magnetic field will be n times, means B will be n into mu naught I 2 pi a square by 4 pi a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2.